In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to add page number on your in Pages app. So if you want to do that, so you have to guys open your Pages app first of all. Once you open here, you have to tap on this blank option, tap on it and just tap on document option. On document option guys, you have to tap on document setup. From here guys, you have to make sure to enable this footer if you want to add page numbers at the bottom of your page, and if you want to add page numbers at the header or at the top, you have to make sure to enable this uh, header as well. So I'll recommend guys you should guys enable the both option, and now tap on more option. So now here you will be able to see guys the both header and footer, so you can add the page numbers. Tap on it, you can choose uh, any kind of a format, and yeah, once you've done that, now the page number will be added automatically guys when you create a new page. That's how you can do it. And yeah, you can tap on done. So back to over guys. Till then, bye bye.